Is this expensive? Yes. But is it worth it? Of course. I am back after a long break. I have like so much to tell you guys. I have so much to announce as well. So my last video was like 4 months ago, right? And I was in a groove. Like I really had like my schedule down. At least I was posting at least once a week. But I am actually back on YouTube. I was away because I am currently 4 months pregnant. I'm going to dive all into the first trimester, my plans, where I'm taking my channel. So it's going to be really good. So I hope that you guys still stay tuned. New subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on my video and watching today. I would love to have you join the family. So please click the subscribe and notification bell. While I was away, I picked up some brand new makeup. Now, I may be a little bit late to the game, but it's okay because a lot of this makeup I haven't even tried yet. I wanted to wait until I got back in front of the camera, back in front of my family, back in front of my family so that I can go over these reviews and products with you, along with just giving you a life update. So many new changes, all for the best, all for the great. And, you know, I'm just highly blessed and so grateful to God for everything that I have in my life and everything that continues to grow. We're going to go ahead and dive right into some of the new products that I'm trying. My brows are already done because if you don't know already, I cannot do my brows on camera. It's such a challenge. So I went, you know, off camera, did my brows, and now I'm ready to dive into one of the first products that I'm trying, which is the new Milk Makeup primer. It's like a mattifying primer. This is by Milk Makeup. This is their Pore Eclipse mattifying primer. I got the little travel size just to try it before like I purchased the big one. Let's see what this texture like. It's definitely a creamy, milky type of texture. I like that. So while I am testing this, it feels really good on the skin so far, which I like. My lighting may go in and out just because I'm using a lot more natural lighting today. So, it definitely dries like quick. But yes, so the announcement, I'm 4 months pregnant and I'm in my second trimester at this point. First trimester was something else. Like, I just didn't have energy. I feel like I wasn't super like nauseous or anything, but my energy level was super low. So I just took, you know, the past like 4 months to really enjoy my pregnancy. I feel like pregnancy is a very spiritual journey. I feel like you learn so much about yourself. Your body is forever changing and your mindset is changing as well. So I just enjoyed, you know, working, and I'm gonna get into work, but I enjoyed working. I enjoyed, like, once I was off work, being able to relax, have that time to myself. Did a lot of like self-discovery with the things that I like and I love, and yeah, I'm happy to be back. Actually, I will keep you guys updated, like, because I know so many women. I'm 29 going on 30, so I know like there's a lot of new mothers that are trying to conceive, or, you know, current mothers as well. And this journey is just going to be so important for us to like form a big family, like form a strong connection, but also take care of ourselves, like self-care, making sure that, you know, the things that we like is not forgotten. And I think that's the most like important thing. So I like it so far. It is different. The top fell, so yeah. This baby right here, definitely, ooh, it's matte. It's definitely matte. Now, on to the next product, and then I'm going to get into career. I'm a foundation girl. I know my foundation changes like often, but it's okay. It's all right. This is the new Lancome foundation, y'all. Chef's kisses. Like, this is the holy, yeah, she's it. She's it. Like, this foundation is it. This is all you need. Foundation is light enough, but it's also full coverage enough. Let me just show you. So I got the shade 400W, and down below I will list all of the products where you can purchase it at. Most of them came from Ulta Beauty or Sephora, so it's most likely going to be between those two stores. And then just some details on it. Let's do my famous like swatch test and go from there. Y'all, isn't that a perfect match? Like, this match right here, oh, and I seriously don't feel like I have much on. I'm gonna leave my under eyes alone because I have a new concealer that I want to try, and yeah. Oh, she's so pretty. This has been my go-to like date night, hanging out, really kind of like my weekend foundation. On like a weekday, I love the Rare Beauty, the tinted, their tinted moisturizer foundation. So I made a video on the Rare Beauty, the tinted moisturizer. I use that on a like work week just because of the sheerness to it, and it's just kind of effortless to add to your routine. Let me know if you all want to see like my first trimester, all the details from my first trimester, and kind of like what I went through my second trimester, what I'm currently going through. This would be my second child. I already have an 8-year-old. So 8 years later, I'm starting over. This is called Full Night Sleep, and this is like a cooling balm for your under eyes. This is how it looks. Hopefully you can see it. It's a clear gel. And so I had the Beauty Advisor and Ulta Beauty apply this like to my skin before I purchased, and it felt so good. But it has caffeine in it, which is supposed to wake up your under eyes. And we literally like dabbed with my finger. I'm up super early, 6:30 in the morning, because school is back in session. So this, I think, just like applying to my under eyes, doing my makeup, running out the house is like it's gonna work. But it's supposed to blur as well. Let's see. Will I use it a lot? I don't know. But from what I heard, it's really good to apply with her actual concealer. I love her packaging. It's like this cool gray. It's this cool gray packaging. So unique. REM Beauty Concealer. It gives you 0.28 ounces. And then this is in the medium 2N. This is the color here. And then it comes with like this cute little spatula. I would lose this. It's like a little miniature tool. Just to, you know how like they got the little cooking miniature. Yeah. All of that, but I'm gonna try to use it. I scooped that much off of it. That should be enough, right? Should be enough. Is this expensive? Yes. But is it worth it? Of course. I actually also started a new career in project management. So started with a new company. I am currently working full remote in my position and role. My day-to-day, I usually like manage different projects, you know, oversee them, provide deliverables. So it's been a great, and I mean, I do a lot more than that as well, but that's just like a brief overview. But it's been such a great experience so far. I'm so in love with my new career. And I always say, never let anyone tell you that, you know, working a job or having a career is wrong. You can be passionate about a lot of different things, you know, and you can pursue them all at one time. It's not, now, you know, when you get to a point where you're like, oh, one supersedes the other, or you just want to focus on one thing, that's fine too. I don't feel like there's no right or wrong way to follow your dreams, live your life, and pursue your passions, whatever career, trade, talent, skill that you have. It should be like preparing you for that next level. I feel like every time I go to record, there's like people cutting grass or something going on outside. I live in the city, like downtown Charlotte, and when I say it can get noisy, oh my goodness, you wouldn't imagine. But I'm kind of used to it. I've been living downtown for about 3 years, so if you can hear the grass, hopefully, I'm sorry, and hopefully it ends really soon. I just took my beauty blender and I'm just blending it out. I feel like I don't know if it's full coverage, but it's definitely giving a highlighted. He would bring that thing over here. Sir, please give me a break. So I'm just going to take the rest and apply it to my chin. So from Sephora, I had to pick up the OG, my favorite. This is Makeup by Mario, the Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick. And this is in the shade medium. I may not pick up that well. I probably need a little darker. Fail, epic fail. Return. I gotta return this for a deeper shade. That's not gonna work. I had to pull out my Black Radiance contour stick, but I'm not like going over every little detail right now, just because I'm also reviewing products. I will make a separate video just for like questions and like a QA type style when it comes to my pregnancy journey, and also just balancing work life, mom life, in my passion, which is creating content, YouTube videos, editing, you know, everything. So I have like some major changes I want to make to my page. Instead of it just being beauty, make it more related to my lifestyle, which is being a mom, and also, you know, some other related. I don't feel like it's full coverage. I'm not really a fan, but of this, I'm not really a fan of this concealer, but I could just have the wrong shade. It's buildable, so I could easily just build up the concealer as well. Yes, y'all, they have left, so hopefully they don't come back around here. I got the One Size translucent powder. This is by Petrick. I've heard great reviews about this, and I'm just like, why not try it on camera? Because my favorite right now is the KVD, their translucent powder, which is like my favorite. But I like to switch it up from time to time. Like, okay, let's set this. It's already creasing. So it's already creasing under the eye. That's okay. I should have like used my brush real quick, but we gonna make this work. I'm so ready for the fall. Like, I feel like I'm about to get in the fall mood and, you know, grab some like pumpkins, decorate just a little bit. We're moving like towards the end of the year, so try not to like do too much home decor, but I also feel like, okay, what's the best season out of the whole year is like fall, right before winter. And yeah, we need a little bit of pick me up, like some oranges, some very fall decor around here. Also purchased like the new Huda Beauty concealer. I haven't tried that one out. I have the new Too Faced concealer, like their light concealer version, and I have been wearing that a little bit more consistently. I want to show you guys the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Nouveau palette. Anastasia Beverly Hills Nouveau palette. She is a beauty. Okay. I think I'm gonna do like 1 or 2 colors, nothing major. I'm taking Metro and just applying that to my lid. I wanted sheer, so I didn't apply like any eyeshadow primer or like concealer to my lid, which would have gave me more of a pigmented look. Just cute enough. I love my backdrop, like it's so me. It took me some time to kind of figure out what I want to do. I still want to decorate it more, add books, add a candle, and yeah. I want to keep it light, so I'm gonna go in with Liberty, which is a green, and I just want to apply this to like the outer portion. I should do a video on getting close to your 30s, because I know everything is changing for me, like in the best way. But like what I used to do in my 20s do not fly in my 30s. Like, do not fly at the end of my 20s, entering my 30 phase. Y'all, I could not wait until this came back in stock, the Dior lip oil. So I have one color already, which is like a pink lip oil. And then I picked up mahogany because I was looking for mahogany. I'm like, it's about to be fall. Like, why would I not have a burgundy lip oil for the days you just want to be a liner girl with lip oil? Like, so yeah, to start off the month of September, no. But yeah, so I was able to grab, and Sephora still had quite a lot. This is the Dior lip oil and mahogany. Y'all, it's so sheer, but it's so pretty. And my lips stay hydrated for such a long time. Is this expensive? Yes. But is it worth it? Of course. So sheer, but it still gives you kind of like a little bit of a darker tint. You pair it with a brown lip liner. We're ready for the day. We're gonna conquer today. So yeah, this is one of my super favorite palettes as well, and I will list it below. And I'm just using a grapefruit blush, because you can't go the whole day without blush. Gorgeous ladies. Okay, grab the products that I mentioned today. I will list everything for you to purchase. If you love it, buy it. If you don't agree with it, you know, just let me know. But the concealer is, I'm still up in the air about. I'm going to wear it. Hopefully I'll be able to come back on camera. If not, it's okay. But I just want to thank you guys so much for still being here, still supporting my channel. If you have not yet, hit the like for this video, because I gave you such amazing, great news and announcements. And also to just spread positivity, like the video. But join the family, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell for more videos to come. Your girl is back. I love it. I want to be consistent, and having you guys makes it so much better. Like, a virtual hug. I love that. But yeah, I hope you liked today's video, and until next time, take care.